Choosing a realtor to sell your home. Are you planning to sell your home in the near future? Stay tuned for a valuable dive into the intricate process of choosing a realtor. Who should be the unsung hero of your home selling adventure? Selling your home is not just a transaction, it's a pivotal moment filled with decisions that can shape your financial future. Join me on this insightful exploration as we navigate the crucial considerations when selecting the right realtor to ensure a seamless and successful home selling experience.
In this video, we'll delve into the essential factors that make a realtor stand out, from their intimate knowledge of local market to their negotiation expertise. Whether you're a seasoned home seller and you've sold many, or whether it's your first time, arming yourself with the knowledge of what to look for when choosing a realtor can make all the difference in the world.
Oh, and be sure to stay tuned until the end for a bonus tip, a game changer that might just elevate your home selling strategy to the next level.
Get ready to uncover the secrets of choosing a realtor, unlocking the door to a successful home selling journey.
Hi,
we are Kim
and Corey
Vandery with VDR Realty. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we're always on the hunt for your dream property.
In this video, we'll explore the most important things to keep in mind when choosing a realtor to sell your home. So let's get started.
Selling your home is more than a transaction. It's a journey fraught with pivotal decisions that can significantly impact your financial future. As you stand on the crossroads of this important chapter, selecting the right realtor becomes a linchpin in successful home selling adventure.
Number one, understand your unique needs. Every home is an individualistic entity, echoing its unique story and features. Choose a realtor who not only acknowledges, but can proficiently convey the distinctive attributes of your home.
Number two, the local market. The local market is a cornerstone for success. Your neighborhood transcends being merely a location. It's a living, breathing community with its rhythms and personality. A realtor deeply rooted in the local market brings an abundance of insights. It's understanding the ebb and flow of property values and the nuanced preferences of potential buyers. This localized knowledge forms the cornerstone of a triumphant home sale, enabling strategies uniquely tailored for your specific market.
Number three, communication, bridging the realtor-client gap. Effective communication is the adhesive that binds a flourishing realtor-client relationship. A realtor should transcend the role of a mere messenger, becoming a responsive and proactive bridge, keeping you informed at every stage. Regular updates from market changes to showing feedback are vital for your holistic involvement in the home selling process.
Number four, negotiation, turning challenges into opportunities. Navigating the intricacies of a home sale depends on negotiation finesse. A skilled negotiator transforms challenges into opportunities, ensuring the best deal for you. Whether it's navigating inspection findings or adeptly managing counteroffers, a realtor with negotiating prowess becomes your advocate in the complex dance of negotiation real estate transactions.
Number five, transparent fee structure, aligning interests for success. Understanding the financial dimensions of your partnership is paramount. A transparent fee structure ensures both parties are aligned toward the common goal of a successful sale. Whether commission-based or a flat fee, clarity on compensation fosters trust, laying the foundations for a collaborative journey.
Number six, personal connection, beyond business to relationship. The most robust client-realtor relationships transcend the transactional and evolve into the genuine. A realtor who invests time to understand your story, your motivations, your aspiration, adds a personal touch to the transaction. This human connection not only elevates the overall experience, but also translates into more effective representation of your home in the market.
The conclusion, In essence, choosing a realtor becomes a meticulous process that involves recognizing your home's uniqueness, leveraging local market expertise, prioritizing effective communication, navigating negotiations with finesse, ensuring a transparent financial partnership, and fostering a genuine personal connection. This comprehensive approach guarantees a successful and fulfilling home selling experience. Bonus tip!
Bonus tip. The strategic marketing prowess in the realm of real estate is the strategic marketing approach adopted by your realtor. It can be the differentiator between that propels your home into the spotlight. Look for a realtor who not only understands the traditional avenues, but also harnesses the powers of digital marketing. From compelling online listings to engaging social media campaigns, a realtor with strategic marketing prowess can amplify your home's visibility, attracting a broader audience and ultimately potential buyers.
This bonus tip underscores the importance of not just listing your home, but strategically presenting it to the world, ensuring it stands out in a crowded market.
If you would like to know more about selling your home in the state of Montana, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we are always on the hunt for your dream property.
Follow us on our socials to keep yourself updated about everything related to real estate in the state of Montana.
Hit the like button if you found this video informative.
Once again,
we are Kim
and Corey
from VDR Realty,
and you can get in touch with us through our contact details in the description box below. If you have any doubts or any questions for us, then please leave them in the comment section below, and we'll be more than happy to answer them for you.
See you in the next video.